Join me as we immerse in nature, Costa Rica, and introduce a lead-in to our Exploring Consciousness series. In this episode, we enjoy the sounds and sights of nature as we roam freely with it. From lending our helping hands out to animated phone conversations, this is a space for contemplation. We introduce ideas which will be developed further in upcoming videos, a series discussing the spiritual journey. Possibly a recipe for mastering your spiritual journey.
Whew, I guess one's the way to do it. Oh, he's
Oh my
fat.
gosh. Wow.
Big guy. Hey.
He looks.
Oh. Wow. He looks hungry.
Yeah.
He looks almost rigor mortis.
Our song goes to the clouds as we walk to our homeland, say the Gaiwu group of women. The clouds collect the sound, they say, and later it will rain. Just feel into that. The clouds collect the sound, and later it will rain. Accumulation, gathering magic.
And so what she does is she codes the Kapa, and then she sends it down to earth. And in that depiction, I'll bring it up in a little bit, you'll notice how she sends it down to earth in clouds. So it rains. It's in our water. The codes of disclosure are in the water. She codes the Kapa, she sends it down in clouds. It's stealth, right? It's super stealth that way. And it turns into the condensation, the water. And if we have a relationship with water, we can discern the messages of Hina.
his power was in his blood, and his blood is blue, was blue, is blue, and his blood is water. And this is how we know that water is older than the sun, which I just read something in some scientific journal recently that scientists are confirming and discovering that water is in fact older than the sun.
Once an energy is placed anywhere, it stays there.
Okay. Crazy. It's like, it's a little daunting, I'm not gonna lie. And boy, water is powerful, man.
Yeah, it is.
Everybody underestimates water.
Yes.
Water is friggin' insane.